Nan, babo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. If you notice, I have a Christmas tree beside me because this video is going to be special. It's going to be part of a series of videos partnered with Tita's Special. And for today's vlog, it is the time of the year when we really celebrate with these kinds of food, these kinds of meat products has become very popular, particularly in gifts giving, sa mga Noche Buena tables natin, as well as mga Christmas celebrations. So these are really great for giveaways. So let me mention names ng mga hams nila. Starting off with the Bini Ham. Next is the premium cooked ham. Another one is the Christmas ham.
Hamon Navidad?
Available din po dito ang chicken ham. And also the pear-shaped ham. And lastly, the American ham. So, yung American ham po is included po sa mga binigay nila sa atin for the taste testing, which is this one. And then, this is where it all started, yung kanilang original Bini Ham, which is this one. And in the middle, of course, we included yung Pampanga sweet ham because a lot of the times, it will be included sa mga Christmas dishes natin like yung mga macaroni salad, some spaghetti, other dishes that would require ham, lalong-lalo na po dun sa mga Christmas dishes natin. So we've included that in the middle as well. So these are available. So what else can we do? We're gonna taste test this. First off, I'm gonna try yung kanilang American ham. Whoa! Grabe. If you're just with me, guys, this is so lovely in terms of the smell as well as the physical appearance of it. It has a golden brown skin and then in the middle is medyo pinkish red na meat. Of course, you wouldn't neglect yung smoky aftertaste ng mga ham nila. So it is really delicious. And now I want to try naman yung kanilang Bini Ham, which is the original. Okay. Now for this particular ham, I can obviously notice yung parang pinaka-fiber ng meat natin. So it also has a little bit of, fat in the skin. Wow! Ooh, wow! Again, it has that really distinctive smoky aftertaste. Napakasarap. Another information about their Bini Ham, which is their original classic ham, it is a boneless, whole muscle cured ham, marinated natural juices, and specially made pineapple sauce. Woo-hoo! Sobrang sarap nito and sobrang sulit nito, guys. Your Christmas celebration is going to be more special. That is so delicious. So, if you want to include these on your Noche Buena as well as your New Year's Day celebration, make sure to check out Tita's Special Bini Ham Classic Original. So include this on your bucket list, guys. This is going to be a level up experience for your celebration. So if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure to check out Tita's Special. Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next video for Tita's Special. Bye! So long, guys.